Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can apply glow to your text templates on CapCut PC. So go to text and select text template and select whichever one you want to make glow, I guess. So I'm just trying to find which one I want. They have like a lot of like new ones, which is pretty cool. Maybe like this one. Just a dream. It actually already has a little bit of glow on it, so let's just find another one that doesn't have glow on it. Maybe this one, Rome Diaries. Cool. Anyways, to add some glow, it's pretty simple. You're just going to right click, create compound clip, go to effects and search for edge glow. Which one can I, this one? What about this one? Okay, select it and just apply it to the text. If you want more, just apply it on top. But it's a little bit hard to like overlay it on top of stuff. You do have to like export it first to overlay it because it will affect the video underneath that. Also going to add it here a little bit. You can maybe add some luminance if you want to, but I'm just going to make the strength and the filter just a little bit like so. And you can add in like some stars if you like to as well on top. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!